Hello guys, welcome back to Inventive Biology. In today's video, we are going to discuss about WBCs, that is white blood cells. White blood cells are also known as leukocytes. They protect you against illness and diseases. Think of white blood cells as your immunity cells. In a sense, they are always at war. They flow through your bloodstream to fight viruses, bacteria, and other foreign invaders that threaten your health. White blood cell formation occur in a soft tissue inside our bone, that is bone marrow. White blood cells का formation bone marrow में होता है. वो हमारी ब्लड स्ट्रीम में फ्लो करते हैं और वायरसेस, बैक्टीरिया और अदर फॉरेन पार्टिकल्स से हमारी बॉडी की रक्षा करते हैं, जो कि हमारी हेल्थ को नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं. Your white blood cells are in your bloodstream and travel through blood vessel wall and tissue to locate the site of infection. You can only see white blood cell under a microscope as they are extremely small. These are the colorless and nucleated form element of blood. They play major role in the defense mechanism of the body. Depending upon or presence or absence of granules in cytoplasm, the leukocytes are classified into two types. First one is granulocyte and second one is agranulocyte. Granulocytes are cells that have granules in their cytoplasm, while agranulocytes that do not have granules in their cytoplasm. Granulocytes are the most common type of white blood cells. They contain enzyme granules which form in the cytoplasm. That granules are a thick, semi-fluid solution that fills each cell. When infection or inflammation enters the body, granulocytes rush to the area, releasing their granules to fight infection. Now, agranulocyte. Agranulocytes are white blood cells that have no distinct granules in their cytoplasm. Lymphocytes have large single nuclei that occupy most of the cell. Here you can see they are they are an important part of our body's immune system. Monocytes are the largest of the white blood cell. Here you can see neutrophils. Neutrophils have small granules in their cytoplasm. The granules are violet in color. The nucleus is multilobe. न्यूट्रोफिल्स में जो न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट होता है वो मल्टीलोब होता है. द डायमीटर ऑफ द सेल इज 10 to 12 माइक्रॉन्स. सेल का जो डायमीटर होता है वो 10 to 12 माइक्रॉन्स का होता है. देन इओसिनोफिल्स. Eosinophils have coarse larger granules which stain bright red or orange with eosin. Here you can see जो granules है साइटोप्लाज्म में वो काफ़ी लार्ज आप देख पा रहे हैं, जिन्हें स्टेन किया जाता है इओसिन डाई से. द न्यूक्लियस इज बायलोब. बायलोब न्यूक्लियस इनमें प्रेजेंट होता है. द डायमीटर ऑफ सेल वैरीज बिटवीन 10 to 14 माइक्रोमीटर. थर्ड वन इज basophils. Basophils also have larger granules in their cytoplasm. The granules stain purple blue with basic dye like methylene blue. Nucleus is bilobed. Diameter of the cell is 8 to 10 microns. The main function of neutrophils. Neutrophils play important role in the defense of body. The granules of neutrophils contain antibody-like substances called defenses, which are active against bacteria and fungi. Then neutrophils, which kills bacteria, fungi and foreign debris. Eosinophils. Eosinophils kills parasite, cancer cells and involved in allergic response. The major function of these cells are detoxification, disintegration and removal of foreign proteins. Then basophils, which involve in allergic responses. The basophils play an important role in healing process after inflammation and allergy. Then agranulocyte, which is monocyte and lymphocyte. Here you can see clear cytoplasm without granules. Monocytes, these are the largest leukocyte with the diameter of 14 to 18 microns. The cytoplasm is clear without granules. The nucleus is round, oval and horseshoe or kidney shape. Here you can see kidney shape nucleus. The nucleus is either in the center of the or it is pushed to one side and large amount of cytoplasm is seen. Second one is lymphocyte. Lymphocyte. The lymphocytes have a little amount of cytoplasm with a large oval or kidney-shaped nucleus occupying the whole cytoplasm. Depending upon the function, the lymphocytes are divided into two types. First one is T lymphocyte and second one is B lymphocyte. T lymphocyte is concerned with cellular immunity and B lymphocyte is concerned with humoral immunity. So main function of monocyte is clean up damaged cells and the monocytes are also motile and phagocytic. They are precursor of tissue macrophages. They play important role in of the body. Then lymphocyte, which help fight viruses and make antibodies. They play important role in immunity. T lymphocytes are responsible for the development of cellular immunity and B lymphocytes are responsible for the development of humoral immunity, means major defensive mechanism against the bacterial infection. सो नाउ द वेरिएशन इन द आरबीसीज. अगर आरबीसीज के नंबर में कुछ चेंज आ जाता है तो इस प्रकार के 3 डिसीजेज हो सकते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज ल्यूकोपेनिया, सेकंड वन इज इओसिनोफिलिया, थर्ड वन इज ल्यूकेमिया. ओके. Leukopenia means decrease in the total WBC count. First, leukopenia, here you can see this white part is WBC. जो आप यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हैं WBC है और अदर डायग्राम्स ये ल्यूकोसाइटोसिस हो रहा है. नॉर्मल ल्यूकोसाइड इन ब्लड मतलब नॉर्मल ल्यूकोसाइड यहाँ पे बन रहे हैं यानी कि WBC बन रहे हैं. बट इन ल्यूकोपीनिया की कंडीशन में उनका जो नंबर है वो डिक्रीज हो रहा है. A low level of WBC in the blood which can interfere with the ability to fight infection. अगर ल्यूकोपेनिया हुआ तो बॉडी हमारी इन्फेक्शन से लड़ने में असमर्थ होती है. देन इओसिनोफिलिया. इंक्रीज इन इओसिनोफिल काउंट कॉज इओसिनोफिलिया. इओसिनोफिल के नंबर में अगर इंक्रीज हो जाए तो उस कंडीशन को इओसिनोफिलिया कहते हैं. Parasitic diseases and allergic reaction to medication are among the more common causes of eosinophilia. So next one is leukemia. It also known as blood cancer. The leukemia is the condition which occurs due to malignancy. It is associated with abnormal and uncontrolled increase in the WBC count. A cancer of blood forming tissues hindering the body's ability to fight infection. Now, these are the causes of low white blood cell count. Causes of low white blood cells count include bone marrow failure, that is aplastic anemia, bone marrow attack by cancer cell, that is leukemia, ड्रग एक्सपोजर, केमोथेरेपी जो कैंसर पेशेंट को दी जाती है. विटामिन B12 की डिफिशियंसी हो जाए तो भी ल्यूकोपेनिया की कंडीशन होती है. HIV और एड्स के कंडीशन में भी ल्यूकोपेनिया के चांसेस होते हैं. मीन्स हमारी बॉडी इन्फेक्शन से फाइट करने में असफल होती है. सो अ ब्लड टेस्ट विथ फीवर देन 4000 सेल पर माइक्रोलीटर ऑफ ब्लड डायग्नोसिस लो वाइट ब्लड सेल्स. So the mean total WBC count varies from 4000 to 11,000 per cubic millimeter of blood. तो जो नॉर्मल WBC का काउंट ब्लड में होना चाहिए वो 4000 से 11000 पर क्यूबिक मिलीमीटर होना चाहिए. अगर इससे कम ज़्यादा हो जाए तो ये कंडीशंस बनती है. अगर ब्लड टेस्ट में अगर 4000 से कम WBC निकले तो वो कंडीशन कहलाएंगी ल्यूकोपेनिया. और अगर 11000 से ज़्यादा बने तो इओसिनोफिलिया की कंडीशन बनेगी. अगर अनकंट्रोल में अगर WBC बढ़े तो उस कंडीशन को ल्यूकेमिया यानी कि ब्लड कैंसर की कंडीशन कहा जाएगा. थैंक यू.